With custom tables, you can create your own custom database tables based off of any pertinent data to your business. In this video, I want to show you how to create and set up your first custom table. From the Custom Tables menu, we're going to begin by going to Manage Custom Tables. To create a table, simply click the Create Table link, and this opens the Manage Table window. Let's start by giving our table a name. I'm going to name my table Crates, because my company offers a subscription crate as part of its business model. The name is how this field will be referenced in the database. You must follow the SQL naming conventions here, so avoid spaces and don't begin the name with a number or an underscore. You should also avoid the use of special characters and keep this name to less than 32 characters. This name cannot be edited later. The display name is what you will see in the left navigation or on tabs where this database is shown. For this purpose, it's wise to avoid long names here. If you have a logo that you want to display in the left navigation, browse for it on your computer and open it to display it here on this screen. For best results, keep your logo small, about 16 pixels in width and height. Now in the additional settings area below, decide where this table should be seen. First, I want to show it in my navbar on the left side of the screen. And then, in most cases, your table will be tied to a contact and probably a company record. Unless absolutely required, I'd suggest avoiding extending it to groups and opportunities because this can slow down the response time of your database. Let's click Next. The Table Links area will determine which of the standard ACT entities will be linked with your custom table. It makes the most sense here to mimic the options you selected on the previous screen. This cannot be changed later once the table has been built. Once you're ready, click Next one more time. Your database will be locked and now your table is being built. It's always wise to build new tables during a downtime at your company because it is going to lock out your users from using your ACT database. Once the table has been created, you can click Finish here. And now your table is ready for use. ACT recommends at this point that you define the default columns that will be displayed on a list view for all users. So let's do that now. It's usually a good idea to add the contact and company columns. And since I haven't set up any individual fields for my new table yet, I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So I'll click Apply. We can come back to this later on by clicking the Edit Default Columns link here. Once I click Close, we'll see that now my new Crates table appears at the bottom of my left navigation. In the same way, you can edit a table by going into the Custom Tables menu and clicking Manage Custom Tables, selecting your table from the Load Table dropdown, and click the Edit Table link. Some of these settings, like table name and additional tabs, cannot be changed once that table has been created. But you can change the display name and the logo, and a few other options. To delete a table, click the Delete Table link. Deleting a custom table will delete it from all areas of the program. It will be removed from the left navigation, and if it's been added as any tabs in any ACT entities, these tabs will be removed from your display as well. And that's it. You've created your first custom table. The next step would be to create fields and change the layout.